So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name. So if you have created a Facebook page and you want to change the Facebook page name, so what you have to do, first of all, here you have to click on your profile pic. Now click on it, and here you have to go to the your Facebook page. Okay, so I'm going to the Facebook page, and now what you have to do, here you will see option, account option and your profile Facebook page profile pic. Now click on it, and here you will see setting and privacy option. Just click on this setting and privacy. Now again click on settings. Okay, so when you click on settings, here you will see the option on name. So now you have to click on this name, and now you have to click on it, and you can, like this, you can change it. Yeah, and you can't change it again for 7 days. Okay, so like this you can change your Facebook page name. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Now